Welcome to this important lesson about where classified data can be handled. Let's address this critical question. Where are you permitted to use classified data? There are several common misconceptions about this. The correct answer is that classified data can only be used in areas with security measures appropriate to the classification level. This is a fundamental security principle. Let's visualize how this works. Different classification levels require different security measures. Each level has specific physical security requirements, access controls, and safeguards that must be in place. Let's examine why other common assumptions are incorrect. While SCIFs are designed for certain types of classified information, not all classified data requires a SCIF. Teleworking environments, even with privacy, are not sufficient for handling classified data. And simply being in a government facility with a private office does not meet the necessary security requirements. The key point is that classified information must only be handled in areas that have been formally assessed, approved, and accredited for the specific classification level. Remember, protecting classified information requires strict adherence to security protocols. Always ensure you're working in an area specifically approved for the classification level you're handling.